2008 Grizzly 700. This is my friend John's. He uses this thing for everything, including the kitchen sink. This is his hunting machine, his trail machine, fishing machine. He's actually a professional welder, and he built these awesome racks front and rear. But this machine is it's pretty smooth compared to what I'm used to running still. Power steering makes all the difference in the world. All the difference. Plus, he has the rear sway bar removed from it, so that helps quite a bit. Thing's just like a marshmallow going through the trails. I feel bad for him because he's on my bike right now. He's going from this nice little Cadillac thing, this green Cadillac underneath me, back to the old rough 660s with, you know, big set of oversized tires on her. That's, if you never run a big bore ATV without power steering, yeah, you're lucky. Yeah, this thing just floats like Bruce's bike up ahead there too. Of course, Bruce has those Fox shocks on that XTP, so that makes a huge difference. Broken ice. There we go. Come on now, traction. We'll clicker into low. We'll crawl our way through. Just pops up in the air. That's because of the no rear sway bar on the rear. All that weight transfer. Oh, what a difference. These are just with stock shocks on this bike too. Oh, I'll get a new bike eventually, but not in the cards. I keep saying that, but it's not in the cards. You can't force money into yourself. I see that the new Wolverine X4 side by side has a new 850 twin from Yamaha. Finally, Yamaha came out with a new engine. We'll see what the reliability is like on it anyway, but here's hoping that they're going to drop one in a Grizzly, and here's hoping that the Grizzly's going to come up with a two-seater, or Yamaha's going to come up with a two-seater Grizzly. Because I think that would be an excellent buy for somebody like myself, who's, you know, my wife likes to go with me, but doesn't like running on the back of my ATV, and I don't blame her. Neither do I. But some of these trails that we're going through today, I wouldn't put any side-by-side through. He just beat it right to death. not a new model. The Grizzly 700's been out for, you know, quite a few years. Back in 2002, the Grizzly switched from 600 to 660, which I have a 2002. They kept that model all the way up to 2007. Then they switched into what is now there's two generations of the Grizzly 700. There's this one, which is the first gen 700s. This is a 2008. This body style, this engine style, which is actually a 686 cc engine. And the newer ones have a little bit higher engine. I think it's a 708 in their singles. But yeah, this is the first gen 700. So I mean, these bikes have been around for a long time. And although no major changes, not a lot of changes really happened to them, but you know, they've been, in my opinion, one of the most reliable ATVs on the market. We're coming back from Armstrong Lake. This is just cutting into another video I'm doing right now, but I'm sitting on John's bike, so I figured I'd give it a nice little, I know it's not a relevant thing, but a little bit of a review. One thing I do really like about the Grizzly 700s, and always liked about the Grizzly 700s, is the seating position. Again, with my 660 and with this 700, you're doing the same thing. You're sitting down in the ATV and not on top of it like a lot of the models that I've driven in the past. And even some Can-Ams I find have that same kind of feeling. You're sitting up a little bit on it. And I'm really not a fan of